Okay, now we're installing Universe. Type it correctly, Universe to Google Apps Marketplace. And by the way, I'm logged in as my domain super admin, Richard King. So I'm the super admin. So I go to Marketplace, navigate to Universe, install app. It will ask me about permissions. It's gonna ask quite a long list, but it's needed for Universe to work. So go ahead and turn on for your domain if you have multiple domains on the account, and agree terms of service. You can read those, they are on Universe side, and just say accept. So now there's a few I don't want to send, or if you want to send a notification to your domain users, you can. Let's do that, and you can find Universe on the normal place. You can find all the Google Apps applications. So let's click done, and now let's go to Universe. Well, probably need to refresh it, so let's go into mail and more, and there we go. Even more from Google. Well, this is from more from Marketplace. So let's go to Universe setup. Alright, open up Universe. Well, again, you need to allow the user privileges. So before we allow the super admin privileges, now we go as a Richard King, do the account, and you should end up in Universe Home. Sweet, there you go. So it's that easy. And you can start the tour, my stream. Oh yeah, allow notifications. Company stream is pretty empty right now. And then there's the navigation, channels, search, controls, voila. So there you go, that's your installed Universe. And if you have a lot of users, bear in mind that it might take a while to index all the users. So let's search for Peterson. I think that was someone, yeah, Chief Technology Officer can be found. So it's ready to be used. And apparently I've already got that message that Universe is installed. Sweet. There you have it. Universe installation in a nutshell.